welcome back to the Altima, y'all. And what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be throwing some subs back in the Altima. And what subs to throw in other than the SVRs that came out of the Impala. Now, I did already go and throw this one in and hook it up, but I just did that to make it a little bit easier for me to carry it down the steps from my apartment this morning. But other than that, we're about to throw the other sub in. I'm going to disconnect this this thing here. We're just going to be running straight off the deck. I might see how it sounds with the subs versus without it off camera, and then I'll make my judgment call and pretty much tell y'all what I came up with. But we got those subs to go in. Stay tuned, because I'm going to have another video where we're going to actually put 6x9s back here too. There's the other sub right there. As y'all know, I don't know, it's a lot of newcomers on the channel. We're up to 1,600 subscribers, over that now actually, but I'll show y'all real quick. We have the CT Sounds CT 1500.1D. It's very dirty in here. I'm about to vacuum out once I get these subs, put it in here. But yeah, we got the CT Sounds 1500.1D. That's gonna be on bass. 2 of the 800 watt, pretty much eBay Amazon special Skar Audio batteries. One's kinetic, the other one is Supercell, but I'm pretty sure they're made by the exact same company, just different stickers on them. Up here we have a Orion amp. I'll have to get the box out to see what give y'all the model number on that, because I do not remember it offhand, but it was in my dad's Altima a while back. But we decided to throw it in the location where the stock Bose amp went, and it's been sitting there for the past few months, not a single problem. But yeah, let me pull this box out of here, get something to set it on, get these subs in, get them back in, and we're gonna hear how they sound. Alright, y'all, as y'all know, these are the dual 2 ohm. Let me show y'all real quick. Right there, these are dual 2 ohm. So you know what that means. We are gonna wire these down to half ohm. And I know there's gonna be some people in the comments shouldn't do half ohm, this, that, and the third. I've been doing half ohm almost, I don't want to say all the time whenever I get dual 2 ohm speakers, but I'm pretty sure if you know what you're doing when it comes to tuning, and you know your electrical system, whether it's stock or not, you can run half ohm. Just know your limitations, and then, you know, you won't have problems. But in order to do that, you pretty much got to do positive to positive, red to red, and then black to black, negative to negative. So I'm going to hook these up real quick and then get them dropped down there and there, screw this together. Alright, we got 2 SVRs installed and wired in the box, so that means the only thing that's left to do, throw them in the car and see how they sound. Alright guys, they are in. I did just do a test listen to them, and they sound perfect. Now this box is quite small for these subs, so it don't sound too good, but it sounds good enough. Honestly, it's better than what she had before with the DRs, and like I said, those were out of the Tahoe, so I know there was going to be a problem with them. But other than that, for now, these SVRs definitely sound a whole lot better. So let me see if I can find some copyright-free music to play or something. Figure out some way to block out the mids and highs, so that way y'all can hear how this sounds.
To your baby mama, boy, that pussy got you blown like Stevie Wonder. It's fun, might they even be your baby. Turn the hoe into a housewife, you niggas crazy. Stupid nigga, now you wanna put up right. Come to your town, do a show and run a train. She loves that shit. That freaky bitch, nothing nerve.
finally chased the perfect sound that I was looking for with this car.
When you see another nigga get at the bitch, ain't that about a bitch gon' be a bitch. Get that bitch in VIP and she gon' fuck for free. You buy that bitch a drink, she might not ever leave. Get her to the room, now she on her knees. She just my kind of freak. She swallow quickly. Sorry homie, but that's everybody home. Sad part about it. And the sad part about it is you already know.
Alright guys, let me turn this all the way down. That's going to be it for this video. Like I said, I was just putting the subs in, and like I said, they sound phenomenal. I got the sound bass wise from this car how I wanted to sound. Now next, I do have some 6x9s and 6.5s that's going in the rear doors, and then I think one of these two tweeters might not be working. I want to say it's this one that's not working because I don't hear it whenever I'm driving when we're both in here, or even if I'm driving the car by myself. I don't ever hear this tweeter, but I definitely can hear that one on. So, but other than that, guys, I'm going to clean this car out. Leave your thoughts down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, turn y'all notification bells on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.